Oh, wow. This is the best ice cream sandwich ever.
I don't think so. This is how to make the best ice cream sandwich ever in few simple steps. Start off by melting 200 grams of milk chocolate. Move it to a piping bag, squeeze it in 3 ice cube trays, and completely fill them. Shake off the trays gently to remove any air and chill in a freezer for about 30 minutes. Next, add 200 grams double cream and 30 grams caster sugar in a bowl, and mix them well until fluffy consistency. At that point, add 30 grams of Oreo crumbs to the mix and incorporate them using rubber spatula. Move the mix to a rectangular tray and freeze it for 30 minutes. Next, take the ice cream out of the tray and cut it in 4 equal triangles, using large sharp knife to avoid any sticking. You may want to move the triangles back to the fridge to avoid melting. Take the chocolate bars out of the melting trays and cut them into equal triangles as well. Add a layer of chocolate and stack the ice cream layer on top of it. Finally, add the last chocolate layer and it is ready to go. Please let me know in the comments if you like this ice cream sandwich better than Patrick's. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check Flour Bae website for the full recipe. But most importantly, never skip breakfast.